I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's cold as bricks right now, man. What's going on, guys? Your boy Wi-Fi Currency. Today is currently 9:19 in the morning. It is February 2nd, so we are on week number 2. We're on day 16, 17, something like that. On flipping 500 to $1,000 challenge. It's probably not literally day 16, 17, whatever, because we don't count the weekends, but bro, we're still doing it. You know what I mean? We're still not at the game yet. We haven't made much progress from the initial starting balance, but we haven't blown the account either. So let's make some good moves this week. Today I will be trading on my trade locker. I will be marking up on my trade locker just so that way everybody can see what's popping. I will have one of my charts on trading view on my other screen, so I can at least pay attention to the other pair. But I will be having trade locker on my screen majority of the time, so if I hop in on the trade, you guys can already see it. You guys can see the moves and everything. I'm gonna try to switch it up and see what I see what's popping. But guys, it's gonna be an interesting week, guys. Hopefully we can make some good moves. And yeah, man, that's basically it. Excuse me, I sneezed, but let's go ahead and make some good moves this week. Let's go ahead and run it up. Hopefully we hit 2 TP5s today, or 2 TP5s this week with no losses, minimal losses, so we can finish up the challenge and we can move on to the next challenge. The next challenge is going to be a little bit harder, double the amount, but we're going to get there, guys. We're going to get there. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to hop into the charts right now. We're going to start marking them up and we'll see what's popping, guys. Guys, let's go ahead and hop into the charts. So we're going to mark up US30 first. We're on the 15-minute time frame. Let's see if I can get, I'm not going to try anything extra. So we're going to start off with this zone right here. To me, this is a juicy zone for buys, and this is a good zone for sells. Let's go ahead and mark this up real quick. All right, so we have our zones for US30. We have a good resistance zone right here and a good support zone right here. Price push above this, we're going to take a buy. Price push below this, we're going to take a sell. And the same thing for this zone right here. If price push above that zone right there, we're going to take a buy. If price push below this zone right here, we are going to take a sell. So not really much to it, guys. Hopefully we do find some good work today. We do have about 4 minutes left before the market opens. It is currently 9:26. We have 3 minutes and 39 seconds. While we're at it, let's go ahead and check Forex factors, see if we have any news going on. And we have absolutely no news today. No red folders, which is a good thing. I mean, good thing and a bad thing. I like trading red folders. A lot of people don't like trading red folders. Me personally, I don't mind trading red folders. It just means there's going to be volume. There's most likely going to be volume in the market, because just because there is red folder does not mean that there is going to be volume in the market. So no news today. So let's see what's going to happen today in the charts, and let's see if we can get a move going today. I went ahead and uploaded my today's thoughts for today's zones, which is what I marked up on my trade locker. So if one of these trades were to play out, just know that it was called out on my Discord already. I'm gonna go ahead and look for US30 on this screen, and I'm gonna have NAS on my other screen. T-3, 2, 1. See what's popping, guys. I'm already looking to make a sell. NAS is already making a push. US30 is still not making a push. NAS has officially taken off. I was not on NAS first, so I just really can't get into that trade. I will show you guys in a second what NAS could be looking like. I would have hopped in if I was looking at that chart, but it's too far off from the price, so I just don't really like to get in late. So I'm just going to have to go ahead and see if there's going to be a reversal, or if NAS is just going to continue to move. But it is pushing for buys at the moment, so we could have definitely been at a solid TP something, bro. I ain't gonna lie, TP something. Let me see something. It would already smacked a TP1 already. I am going to hop in on those sells. And I am going to hope I don't get stomped out. And I will put my take profit at the bottom. Making sure that's straight. And then let's go ahead and mark this up. Come on. TP2's already getting smacked up. So we are going to secure that in a few seconds. TP2 has already been secured. So that is a good day for me to start off the week. That is a solid, what did we win? We won 153 bucks today. So that's good. We did hit a TP2 smack. We did smack a TP2, so that's honestly a blessing. It's a blessing to me to the fact that we just won a trade in literally the first minute of the day. Guys, we just won our first trade on the first minute of the day. And if we look at NAS100, NAS100 is about to hit TP2. US30 smacked TP3 or TP2, I'm sorry. And it probably even smacked TP3, you know? Like, let me see real quick. I have it on my trade locker, but yeah, smacked TP3. So I could have secured a TP3 today, but I just didn't. I got in a little bit late, so maybe that's probably why I didn't smack a TP3, but I could have smacked the TP3. But regardless, guys, we did get in, we did get out, we did this quick. We're at $783.42 balance, so we just need to go ahead and win. I say a trade or two more, at least one more TP3. If I can at least secure tomorrow a TP3 for the day, then it is a solid day for me. But we just really gotta wait it out. US30 is faking out like no other right now, which I am so glad I secured those profits because, dude, the amount of depression I would have had on my face would have been crazy. But as you guys can see, though, guys, we did secure our win today. US30 is not really making much of a move anymore. NAS100 still pushing up. Let's go ahead and mark our fib right here just so we can see where it's at right now. Let's see. It did smack TP2. If it would have gotten in right when it came out, we would have already, you know, won the trade. So that's basically it, guys. That's basically the day. That's basically today's trade, bro. I'm really gonna wrap it up quick. So we did have our resistance zone. We did have our support zone. We smacked both TP2s, no problem. You know, even if I would have gotten in a little bit late, you know, say for example, I got in like, let's say right around here, you know, and then we take this, right, and we got it, we put it right around here. You know, getting in a little bit late, we still barely smacked TP2, so it would have still been a good day. Resistance zone did get broken. We did have a lot of volume, no news today, so we did have a lot of volume starting off the market. Same thing with US30. I could have taken those buys, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and see what I could have won if I would have friggin' paid attention. But I'm good with my win right now, so I'm chilling. I could have won myself a little TP1 right now. That could have secured my balance at the 800 plus, but it is what it is. I'm not really stressing it. We did have a break of a support zone right here. It went straight to TP2, no problem. Now we did have a break of a resistance zone, and it's about to smack TP2. So I mean, it is what it is, guys. Today was a good day to trade. This is a really good, solid buy right now. I would personally, if I wasn't doing this challenge right now, if I would have not been paying attention to the NAS, I would have jumped into this trade just because it is breaking the resistance zone, and I personally would not mind risking my one TP that I would not risking my I wouldn't mind risking this one TP just to go ahead and potentially hit another TP1 at the very bare minimum, or smacking a TP2. So regardless, guys, we did smack TPs today. Both trades played out to perfection, how I called it out. You know, we did smack TP2 on resistance buys. We did smack a TP2 on a support sell, and we also did smack a TP2 on NAS100 resistance buys. So it is what it is, guys. You know, we do this every single day. If you guys want to go ahead and see my markets that I did call out here in the Discord at the moment, you guys are more than welcome to join. I will be putting the invite link in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys learned anything new, or have any well, if you guys learn anything new, I'm happy for you guys. I want you guys to do better than me, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me the questions. I will be more than happy to answer your questions once I am able to see your questions. If you guys want faster responses, obviously join the Discord and start asking there, but leave your questions in the comment section below on YouTube. That way, if anybody ever decides to go ahead and ask or has that question, they can see on YouTube. You can also see the answer. So, and I will answer everybody's questions on YouTube. So once again, I thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Have an amazing rest of your day. We're almost done. We are officially $216.58 away from finishing this account. We would have honestly been so much closer if I would have taken that buy, but it's like I said, it is what it is. You know, I'm not really stressing it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully we take another dub home. Have a good day. Deuces.